Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you how to put up curtains, coming right up in this video right now. Make sure you get all the equipment in the box beforehand. Do check with the buyer that everything is in there before starting. To assemble the curtain pole, guys, make sure you have your main tool, which is your mini cordless electric screwdriver. This one comes with a charger so it can power up and go. When purchasing the curtains, make sure it's got the eyelet hang so that it's easier to put them up once the pole is up, and also your blackout feature for your protection and privacy. Have a steady step ladder to hand and measure out the size of your curtain pole before putting up, making sure you got all the right tools that you need. You'd need a good drill bit in order to drill the holes for the brackets, and a marker to mark out your desired measurements of your brackets when you're happy and satisfied with the distance and if it's level, before going ahead and putting them up. Once you're happy with the position of the curtain brackets, you can then go ahead and put up the rest of the curtain. Make sure when you're placing the curtain pole on the brackets, you screw in the screw that's attached to the curtain brackets to make sure you strongly position the pole so that it's strong and sturdy. Then after it's fixed, you can sit back and watch the end result. My, woo! And that's it for today, folks. Tune in for one of my next videos. Take care. Bye-bye.